Portland farmers are this evening crying out for help to stem the huge losses from what they say is a worsening drought affecting the parish. And even as the government moves to find solutions to the crippling drought across the island, the farmers are suggesting that Portland could be part of the solution. Here again is TVJ's Krista Campbell.
It's a farmer's worst nightmare, planting but either reaping very little or nothing at all. Farmers in Portland say the island-wide drought is to blame, and they lament that as it gets worse each year, so do their losses.
Some of the tomato trees, they just bear and they start right before they even full. The trees are burning down, the sweet peppers are very small. The variety of sweet peppers that I plant is a hybrid and they should be big, like one will be like half a pound or something, but now they are weighing less than 2 ounces because of the sun.
The farmers say if they get help with a proper irrigation system, some of their cash crops like pak choy, tomatoes and sweet peppers would survive and grow faster.
If we have light drip irrigation, say for instance through your color, you can reap your color 3 times a week, you know. As to no, you can't reap it not even once a week because there's not enough water.
And that again is another major concern for the farmers who contend that with so many rivers and springs across Portland, the parish should not have such water problems. In fact, as the government pushes plans to construct another reservoir to help ease the country's water woes, one farmer has given his suggestion.
I would say to the Minister of Water to invest in water. Invest in some more reservoirs, some more wells. Dig some more wells all over the place. Put up some more pump houses. You can supply water maybe as far as to Kingston.
Meanwhile, until help arrives, Duke Cuthbert says he's trying to source his own water pump and pipes to take water to his farm.
The river is closed, so I have to just go down there and jug the water and do it manually. And that takes a lot of time. And because of that, then I can't produce as much as I would want to produce, because if you notice, I plow about half an acre over there, and I can't even start to plant it because the time when I want to plant is in the early morning, and whatever I plant I have to be watering that time.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.